Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a focus on the best Stihl trimmer blade available in the market. Introducing the Stihl OEM Parts Polycut 2x2 blades, a set of 8 high-quality blades designed to fit the FSA 45 grass trimmer. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest. First and foremost, these blades are genuine Stihl OEM factory parts, ensuring top-notch quality and compatibility with your trimmer. Made with durability in mind, they are built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. What sets these blades apart is their ease of installation. No need to fuss over complicated assembly processes. With these blades, you'll be back to trimming your lawn in no time. Now, let's talk about value for money. Priced at just $15.99, this set of 8 blades offers unbeatable value compared to other options on the market. You're getting genuine Stihl quality without breaking the bank. While we don't rely on customer reviews, it's worth mentioning that these blades have consistently received high ratings for their ease of installation and overall durability. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best Stihl trimmer blade, look no further than the Stihl OEM Parts Polycut 2x2 blades. With genuine Stihl quality, easy installation, and unbeatable value, these blades are a must-have for any lawn care enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy trimming!